Hello there. Today I'm going to introduce another delicious recipe to you, and let's start. For this dish, we're gonna need beef chunk, dried bamboo shoots, dried tofu skin, and black fungus, and the last one is carrot. Please refer to the ingredients in the description as well. We need to soak the dried ingredients, which is the bamboo shoot, the tofu sheet, and the black fungus together in the water for about 3 hours. Once it's soaked, we're going to cut the tofu skin into 1-inch square, kind of like chunks or blocks. By the way, you can get these ingredients from Oriental stores. And then slice the bamboo shoots into very thin slices. As you see that I tilt my knife a little bit so that I can slice it very thin. And the reason that you need thin slice is not only it's easy to cook, and it will absorb all of the juicy taste from the soup as well. And then cut the carrot into chunks. You can roll the carrot and then cut. And then slice the beef chunk into about 1/2 centimeter thick slices. Don't make it too thin because we're not stir-fry the beef, we're making stews. Add light soy sauce, a little bit black pepper, grind it. And we're going to add some starch, about 2 teaspoons. Add some oil. Vegetable oil is good, or olive oil as I always use. And then you mix it so that it absorbs all the liquid. Yes, the same rule, same direction. Do not mix it in 2 different directions. And then in a heated pan, fry with oil, fry the ginger. You shred the ginger or mince the ginger. And then add the beef. Stir fry the beef until the color change into the light brown color. And then we add the bamboo shoot. Keep stirring and frying. For a little bit. And then we're going to add the carrot next. Well, we need to cook these 3 ingredients for a little bit longer time than the other ingredients because they are hard to cook. They need more time. So keep stirring the ingredients. Add salt, about 1.5 teaspoons, depends on your taste buds. And cooking wine. Don't make it too salty because that's not good for your blood pressure. Alright, keep stir frying. And add about 1 cup or 1.5 cup of water. Bring it to boiling. And I switched the pot to a clay pot because clay pot is really good to make beef stews or any other stews or soup. Simmer for about 30 minutes. By the way, you don't need a clay pot for this dish. It just tastes better, in my opinion. And then this is the time we're going to throw in the tofu sheet. And and the black fungus, which is already reconstituted and washed thoroughly. Here's where I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more salt just for the tofu sheet and the black fungus. Stir it a little bit, mix it well. Covered it for about 10 minutes. And this beautiful, delicious dish is ready. Sprinkle some scallions for color and taste. And move it to the table to serve with a cup of rice. It's delicious, full of proteins, and low carb, lean, very healthy, delicious meal again. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Please subscribe and support.